This is Give Peas a Chance. And today we're going to be working on a healthy snack that can be used for a really good dessert as an alternative for Thanksgiving pie. So these are Grandma Ada's apples, and they can be found in this book, which you guys can come and check out at the library. So this is a really simple recipe, and the first thing you're going to do when you're at home, you're going to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And make sure when you're always using the oven that you have your parents help with this, okay? You guys don't want to be using the oven and having the heat, and then we're going to be using some knives too. So you want to make sure that you guys have some help with this. And then the second thing you're going to do, you're going to take your apples and you're going to go ahead and wash them. And then we're going to remove the core from the apple. So the core is the middle part of the apple, and we're going to cut all the way around, and we're going to cut down so it kind of hollows out the apple a little bit, but you don't want to cut all the way through to the bottom. You only want to cut part of the way down. And then once you have your apple all hollowed out, you're going to combine some chopped walnuts, chopped pistachios, some crumbled sugar-free cookies. You can get shortbread flavored or almond flavored, whatever your favorite flavor of cookie is. And you're going to get some raisins. And you're going to put it all in a bowl, just like this, like I have. And then you're going to take a little bit of honey, and using a spatula, you're going to go ahead and scoop your honey out into the bowl, and you're gonna mix everything together. Then, once it's all mixed together, you're gonna take your spoon and you're gonna spoon it into your apples. And when it gets mostly full, you're going to take your apple. You're going to put it right here in the baking dish. So when stuff starts to spill over, then it still goes in your baking dish. You're going to use all the last of the good stuff. And then, when you're all done, you're going to take a little bit of sugar. You can use the brown sugar or the white sugar, whichever's your favorite, just a little bit. And you're just going to sprinkle it on top. So when this goes in the oven, it bakes really nicely. And that's it. That's all you do to prep these. And then you take your baking dish just like this, and you go ahead and you stick it in the oven. You're going to cook it for 30 minutes or until the tops of the apples are brown. And when they're all done, this is what they're going to look like. So you're going to have a nice brown top. You're going to have a cooked apple. And then you can just eat it. You can eat it with a fork and a knife, you can eat it with a spoon, but you can go ahead and just dig in, and that's everything. So if you guys want to check out this recipe, or if you want to check out any of our other good recipes that we have here at the library, we've got lots of good cookbooks for you guys. This is the recipe this is the book where the recipe came from. Chef Gino's Taste Test Challenge. So if you guys want to check it out, it's here at our library, and we have lots of other good stuff waiting for you guys.